If your first car costs under $3,000, you have two choices. You either buy something boring and survive, or you buy the wrong car and stay broke for the next 2 years. These are the only first cars in 2026 that actually make sense. In 2026, buying a cheap car is harder than ever. Prices are still high. Most cars are abused, and social media is full of terrible advice. Everyone tells you to buy something fun, but nobody talks about repairs, insurance, or reliability. A first car isn't about looking cool. It's about not ruining your finances before you even start. Car number 1. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011. The Honda Civic. It's not exciting, and that's exactly why it's perfect. For under $3,000, you get a car that's cheap to insure, cheap to maintain, and almost impossible to kill. Most Civics at this price range have already proven one thing: they survive abuse. Great fuel economy, simple engines, huge aftermarket. Every mechanic knows how to fix it. This is the kind of car that lets you focus on your life, not your next repair bill. Car number 2, Toyota Corolla, 2004 to 2010. Toyota Corolla. This is the smart choice nobody brags about. You can buy this car for under $3,000 or even less. You're not buying speed. You're buying peace of mind. These cars don't impress anyone, but they start every morning, cost almost nothing to maintain, and hold their value better than most cool cars. People laugh at Toyotas until their BMW is on a tow truck. Car number 3, Mazda 3, 2007 to 2012. Mazda 3. This is where logic meets a little bit of fun. It's more engaging to drive than a Corolla, more reliable than most German cars at this price, and still cheap enough to own as a first car. If you want something that doesn't feel dead behind the wheel, this is it. Notice something? None of these cars are dream cars. And that's the point. Warning section. Here's what you should not buy as your first car in 2026. Cheap luxury. Old German cars with no service history. Anything that just needs a small fix. If you can't afford it new, you definitely can't afford it broken. Final words. A first car isn't about status. It's about freedom. Buy something that lets you save money, build experience, and upgrade later. Not something that traps you in repairs. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments what your first car was or what you're thinking of buying. Subscribe if you want honest car advice, not hype.